Hi, babies. They're very sweet, but I think it's just because they want me to feed them. All right, so let's talk about baby lambs. These are bottle babies. They are from our neighbor. The mom passed away about 2 days after giving birth to these guys, and so they are not able to feed unless there's a little bit of human intervention there. So we are bottle feeding them. Our neighbor knows that we have a petting zoo, and so we trade off. I'll take some babies from him and then keep them for a couple months and bring them back to him after they get about 6 months old, start getting big, and then he'll trade them out and give me more babies. And so it's kind of just a cycle where we go through this. And when we take the lambs and goats and stuff, when they're babies, to petting zoos, the kids love to bottle feed them. These guys, don't let them fool you. I just gave them a bottle, 2 bottles actually. So they're not as hungry as they say they are. Anyway, so with these you get like a milk substitute. I'll show you the bag in just a second. But at this age, these are only about 2 weeks old. You are going to need to give them bottles about 3 times a day. And I think, what is it, I think it's about 8 ounces or 2 cups each time. Sorry, I accidentally hit the stop record button. So yeah, I think it's 8 ounces, and I give that to them 3 times a day, and it's just going to change as they get bigger and bigger. So I should only have to do this for about 5 more weeks, which is a long time, but it's worth it. These guys are super cute and sweet. Everybody loves them. But give me a second and I will go show you what feed we give them. Okay, let's go over what you're gonna need to feed these babies. I get the lamb milk replacer. This brand is Save a Lamb products, but there's plenty of other brands. This was about, what, $34 for an 8-pound bag. It should last quite a while. And so it's got the instructions back here for the ratios that you need. You do 4 ounces, which is 1 scoop, to 2 cups of water, and then mix it up. So what you're gonna do first is actually microwave the water and get it warm. So let me do that real quick. All right, we have 2 cups of hot water. Now we're just gonna go in here, use this scoop, get 1 scoop full. We're gonna dump it into the water here. You see that I've got all that. There we go, get a little more. A little more. There we go, perfect. This stuff kind of sticks to your hands too, just so you know. So just pour it in. Got my little whisk right here. We're just gonna stir this up. You see I've got some bottles here. I did have another one of these big bottles, but it's getting cleaned right now. So I'm gonna stick with do a small bottle and a big bottle, and I'll just kind of ration it between them. One of these is, that's 16 ounces and that's 8 ounces. You can hear the lambs outside calling for me. They want this. All right, that should be good enough. Get some of that stuff off the sides. Hold it in there real quick. Perfect. All right, I'm gonna need my other hand real quick, but I'm just gonna pour this into the bottles. The bottles are filled up, and let's go feed these little guys. So let's go outside. They're probably gonna be right here waiting for me. There they are. Hi. I see you. Just gonna go over here to our chair. Everybody else sees and hears me. They want me to come feed them too. All right, guys, hang on just a second. Let's get some bottles in these guys' mouths. So typically I feed them both at the same time, but since I'm holding the phone with the camera, I can only do one. So I'm starting with the skinnier of the 2 lambs. I'm trying to make sure he gets enough food. So basically, you just kind of let them drink until they're full. They'll back off of it when they don't want any more. A lot of times they'll kind of aspirate this and start sneezing and stuff. You want some now? So once they're done feeding, they're not quite as aggressive hanging around you, but they still are really sweet and like to be pet on and loved on, and they come up to you. We have not introduced them to our goats yet because we're afraid that the goats will accidentally hurt them. Goats like to headbutt each other, kind of being playful and sometimes to show dominance, but these guys are too small. Even our baby goats that are the same age as these are twice as big as these guys are. So we are just going to let them roam around for now. They can kind of walk up to the fence when they want, so they'll get used to each other that way. But we're just gonna let them grow a little more before we put them in there with the other goats. We might actually let them hang out a little bit with the baby goats, but yeah, haven't done anything yet. And since they are so small, they are, I guess, susceptible to predators. So at nighttime, we put them in just a big dog crate in our barn and keep them that way. We just want to make sure that they stay safe. Other than that, just make sure they stay warm. They're not eating any kibble or eating hay or anything yet. They're kind of exploring, but right now you don't have to give them any other type of food. In fact, they don't even know how to drink water. We leave it there for them, but they haven't drank it yet. So anyway, baby lambs are pretty easy to take care of. You know, as for vaccinations and stuff, you can give them tetanus shot, which is pretty simple to do. You can buy the vaccine at your local feed store. And then these are boys, and they are wethers, so they have been banded, and that's just so they don't reproduce in the future. That's how the owner wanted it, so he did that before we took them. But yeah, they're pretty simple. They're just like goats. Real nice creatures, a lot of fun, super cute, and really, really playful. Anyway, hope this helps you out. You guys have a good one. Talk to you later.